Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive movement on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that it actually started off down here and then worked its way all the way up there. Sure, it pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was this morning, and you go back to Monday when it was down here, and then you look at the movement. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a great move. But that does now lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? Now, I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that, that area is down here at 35 cents. Why is 35 cents so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but one potential scenario is that the price comes down here and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at 35. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party and momentum finally stopped today right up there at basically 42 cents. So 42 cents will be public enemy number one headed into Wednesday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very, very impressive movement today. Not just a question of can the price show and make signs of progress moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.